We're learning X has sued the Center for using IT Act to block the content on the social media platform, saying that it harms their business model. Well, Elon Musk owned X has filed a legal petition in the Karnataka High Court, arguing that the Indian government's use of Section 79(3)(b) of the IT Act and the Sahyog portal creates an unlawful and unregulated censorship mechanism that bypasses statutory safeguards. For more on this, my colleague Vasudha Venugopal is now joining us on the broadcast, getting us details about the matter. Vasudha, what more do we know? X has now sued the Center for allegedly using IT Act to block the content on the social media platform. What do they mean when they say that it harms their business model?
Well, Kitty, there's a context to this also, because this is not the first time that X has gone to court over content blocking orders. In 2022, X had in fact approached the same Karnataka High Court, asking it to quash at least 39 blocking orders that it felt were significantly non-compliant with government's blocking orders under Section 69A of the IT Act. What we understand right now is this is the second time that X has filed a petition with the same court, with Karnataka High Court, and this is against the government's use of the IT Act. And they are alleging that the government is trying to set up a parallel content blocking process. And remember that the IT Act also guarantees intermediaries immunity from liability for content that a third party posts on their service, which means that often social media platforms are not answerable for the kind of content that is on them, which of course is not acceptable to the government. We already have laws in place, including the IT rules. And I also spoke to governments also. They feel that this is an ongoing process and that the protocol will be followed. The matter is in the court. And they've made it very clear that all intermediaries and social media platforms will have to follow laws of the land, and there cannot be any compromise on this. So the center is hoping to fight it out and ensure that all social media platforms, including X, come on board with it. But of course, this is also regarding the Sahyog portal, and similar matters have also been seen with other platforms. But now this is X, and the government sources have made it very clear that they want social media platforms to comply with the laws of the land, so that there is no threat to public order. Remember that social media platforms are also responsible for the spread of a lot of content, so they want to ensure that laws are being followed.